Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We've been very busy in this time of season and we are putting pump assemblies together. This is a high flow rate pump assembly which has 5.5 flow rate gallon per minute as well as 70 psi, and it's important to bring a higher flow rate into your pump system, into your truck mount, in order to accommodate for higher pressure washing activities. So as you go up on the pressure, you go up on the flow rate. So we are keeping up with our truck mounts in the way of its ability to give you a high flow rate and high pressure. So this is 70 psi at 5.5 gallon per minute flow rate with a bladder tank. We have a terminal block here that makes easy connections to your inline on your 12 volt supply. And then we have some informational here with our phone number and a website. So we have an inline filter right here, and you can change it out and clean it so it'll allow you to have a nice clean filtration. Basically this bladder tank will maintain a steady pressure so that you're not cycling this pump quite so often. You want to be able to give it a little bit of a rest. If it was always continuously running, of course, it wears and tears on the pump. So the idea is to have a nice smooth spray, nice consistent flow of water, but at the same time be able to maintain the pump so that you're not cycling all the time and turning it on and off. There's a propagation delay between the time that it turns back on again as a result of this bladder tank. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll be happy to build you any kind of pump system that you're looking for. It's on an attractive poly board, by the way. This is something that makes it very durable and attractive at the same time. It can go vertical, it can go horizontal, it can go up on the side rails of your inside of your van as well as on your pump station brackets or on your actual fresh water tank. So look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And we're also coming out with a nice APO pump system, macerator pump. There'll be another video on that as well. We're going to be selling these units at a cost-effective way, and we are factory, so we go all out to do it right and right for the customers so that we're meeting their budgetary constraints, but at the same time putting out a high quality unit. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks.